Hi, in this lesson we're going to learn about parallel DC circuits. When you're working out the total resistance of a DC parallel circuit, you need to know the formula is a little bit different to series circuits. So let's have a look at the different formulas. So the traditional formula to use is 1 over RT equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Now that can be a little bit confusing for some people, so I've got another formula that works out exactly the same that you can use. This is RT equals R1 multiplied by R2 divided by R1 plus R2. I'll go through how that works. Okay, let's say we've got three resistors and they're 10 ohms, 20 ohms and 30 ohms, and we have to work out the total resistance. The traditional formula, what we have to do is write it out 1 over 10, 1 over 20, 1 over 30. Now we have to find a common denominator. Now the easiest way I know to do this is, let's just write down the numbers. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 30, 60. I stopped at 60 because that is the first common number of that series. So if I circle 60s, to get the common denominator, these have to change to 60. So we'll start at 30. 30 goes into 60 two times. So we have to multiply the bottom by 2, but we have to multiply the top by 2. 20 goes into 60 3 times, so we multiply this by 3, and of course the top by 3. 10 goes 6 times, so we have to multiply the top by 6 as well. Okay, now that we've found our common denominator, all we have to do is add up the top. So now we have 6 plus 3 plus 2 over 60, or 11 over 60. So, but that is 1 over RT. We need it flipped over. So we flip that answer and that over. So now we have RT equals 60 divided by 11. And that gives us a total resistance for the parallel circuit of 5.45 ohms. Okay, now my way. Let's try it. So if we use the formula that I discussed earlier, and we take these first two resistors, so 10 times 20 divided by 10 plus 20, that gives us 200 divided by 30 equals 6.67 ohms for the first two in parallel. Now we rewrite the formula, but this time R1 is now the total of the first two resistors. So R1, which we had 6.67, multiplied by 30, divided by 6.67 plus 30, gives us 200.1 divided by 36.67, and it gives us the exact same answer as the other one. Some students find this a lot easier. It's up to you. It's a personal preference which way you calculate it, but you get the same answer every time.